Hey guys, today we're taking a look at another Star Wars kit. This is from Star Wars Rogue One, the 1/12 scale K-2SO. Think what you will about Rogue One. I liked it pretty much. K-2SO is definitely a cool new C-3PO-esque kind of figure there as a robot to provide some comic relief. I thought he was a pretty cool character. I liked him in the movie. So today we're going to be taking a look at the 1/12 scale kit of him. It's a really cool kit. You guys have been asking to see more Star Wars stuff, so thanks to us at Gundam Store for providing me with this to be able to check out and share with you guys, review, and then one of these days get around to painting him up too as well. Do some cool custom painting on him maybe. He does look good in all black, I gotta say. It's a cool look, but I think we can probably do something a little bit more interesting with it. But as always, if you do want to check this out or whatever else on US at Gundam Store, you can check the link down below. Save 10% with my ZakuAurelius 10 coupon code. Really cool box art here for these. As I mentioned in the previous Star Wars unboxing kit videos, I like this box art. Just nice, simple black background with a nice illustration there in the center. 2016, this kit came out. Here on the side, you can see it's the same thing, just the box art there. On the bottom of the box, a little bit about the story, I guess, a couple of screenshots from the movie. Some different views of K-2SO there, all painted up, running pose. It doesn't really come with any accessories or anything, so it's not going to really be like the most exciting or like versatile kit, I guess. It's just kind of simple. It just is what it is. It's just a K-2SO, and that's it. We got some cool shots here of details of the head and the joints there. You'll be interested to see how well those work, because he's very skinny, especially in the lower legs, as you can tell. So I wonder how the balance is going to be with this. Cool hands as well. Looks like we have options for the hands, closed fists and open hands. That's nice. And then on the other side of the box, a nice long image. I'm guessing that might be to scale. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll take a look at that in the review. But because it's showing 1/12 scale, I know that's roughly about the size of that. So maybe that's showing you like the exact scale of that, which is kind of interesting. There's a little bit here in Japanese, but I'm not sure what that's saying. That one doesn't have any English. The price for this, 2,400 yen. So as you can see, it's not really the largest box. It's kind of a standard HG size box and very thin. So 2,400 yen. And again, it doesn't come with any like accessories or weapons or anything like that. So that price might seem a little bit high. So we'll see if it's really going to feel worth it for that price. But it does come with water slides, so that's nice. I wish Bandai would include those more often in Gundam kits. But we do have those options with these Star Wars kits. So here's our first runner there. And then our second runner. So that's it, just 2,400 yen. For two runners, water slides, stickers, and a base, and that's pretty much it. So might seem a little bit high, but again, we'll see in the review. So here's our instruction manual, nice painted sample image of the model there, and then at the bottom, again, more screenshots from the movie. On the back, a detailed photos showing you kind of where to paint these different colors, where to stick the decals and the stickers actually, but it can also serve as a paint guide as well. You can see everything a nice close-up and very clearly. Down at the bottom, our color guide if you do want to paint it. It's just basically very dark gray, like a very light gray, silver, and a little bit of yellow. That's kind of pretty much it. It does show you a little bit about how to put on the decals there if you want. Going around to our parts list here, you can see just A runner, B runner, and then the stand. And there's a few polycaps in there. That's it. Some nice stand there though for that. That is pretty cool. And just showing you the different sections. So it looks like we're building the head first. It's got the head highlighted there. A few parts going into that. It shows you the progression down here at the bottom, the torso, and then the legs and arms and so on. So we're building the torso next on the next color page here, and then we're into the inner side of the manual where it's just black and white, so no more color. The middle of the torso, kind of the hips, and then the legs, those long skinny legs, and then finishing up the arms, and then just mounting them onto the base, and that's it. Let's get a look at our runners here. Alright, so once again, here is the stickers for that. We have some nice stickers there for the logos there, and then the stickers for some of the color apps going around on the kit. All here if you want to use those, or if you're feeling up to the challenge and you're going to be painting the kit, then you can use these nice water slide decals. Very nice, high quality water slides, as always from Bandai. Those are looking very cool. We have here molded in black our PC7 polycap ball joints here for the kit. Then SWB3 runner here, Star Wars Base 3 for our base runner plate for this. Then runner A, in typical Bandai fashion, is molded in 4 different colors. We have just plain black for a lot of these main parts here. This part there for the base as well, which is specifically made to fit K-2SO's foot in there. Some that's like warm gray color here for these two parts kind of inside the shoulders. and then a kind of metallic silver or sort of a metallic gunmetal kind of color here for some more of the joint parts there, and then some clear parts here for a couple parts. I think those are a couple parts for the joints, and then the eyes are in clear there as well. You can see like the main armor parts here for the body, and then this long stick here on the side is for the base as well, for connecting that onto his back. And then runner B is just all in black, so you have just all more parts here. It's just kind of mirrored. You have left side and right side, one little part here for the head, but most of these parts are just arms and legs parts, left and right. There you can see our hands are there at the top too, looking very nicely detailed. Overall, the detail on these looks really good. This is going to look really nice when it's all painted up. So that's it for the unboxing. A very simple kit. Like I said, not really a whole lot in there, but it does look nice. So we'll take a look at that in the review. If you guys do have any other questions or comments, leave those down below. Again, do check out USA Gundam Store's site. The link is down below. And as always, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.